make sure to watch
how to get ready for 2 hours for one line. The life of a content creator.
Now I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but they see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kristen, and if you're new here, I create travel, lifestyle, and beauty content. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this a big thumbs up. So for this video, I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes of how it's like to shoot a campaign for a brand as a content creator. And then also keep watching because I'm going to be sharing you tips on how to grow your account and how to land these sponsorships. Social media has been such a blessing to me. I've gotten offers to work with Disney Plus, Fox TV networks. It has helped me with my business, and now during quarantine it is my source of income. So for the next clip, I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes of me shooting for the brand Poopery.
This is my set today. So I'm in the bathroom right now, about to shoot an ad for Poopery. If you don't know what Poopery is, it's like the most awesome thing ever. So if you're on the go, this thing really cancels out the smell. 2, 1.
And you can get them from my crush. As a travel agent, I'm always on the go, and sometimes the urge just hits me. So when you shoot a campaign, you're given an idea of how you're supposed to shoot it, but you need to get the photo or video approved, as well as a caption. So I had to reshoot one line a couple of days after, so here it is.
I have to reshoot a scene. It's been a week after I shot the video for approval, and I have to recreate my makeup again, and I'm just trying to make sure everything is the same palette and the same color that I use.
So I am back in the bathroom. I had to try to recreate my makeup and my hair, although my hair looks a little more done than the last time. We are just gonna be reshooting one part of the video, just one line, how to get ready for 2 hours for one line. The life of a content creator.
So for the second campaign, I shot for Mozilla Firefox's Unf the Internet campaign. I shot this before the elections in the US, calling out fake news, making sure all our sources are reliable, and also, of course, promoting Mozilla Firefox because they value your safety and they don't sell your information. So I had to post with my hand like this. It's like me taking a pledge to Unf the Internet. Right here like that. Maybe I should just take out the gloves. I got my winning shot. Make sure you watch The Social Dilemma on Netflix to see how your data is being used. Make sure to watch The Social Dilemma on Netflix to see. I'm done with the story after 40 minutes. And then I got to work again with them for Christmas for their privacy not included guide. So Mozilla rated the safest electronics to give away for Christmas to the unsafe ones, and I had to review some of them. Today, I am teaming up with Mozilla to show you which electronics are safe to give away this Christmas. Let's look into the Nintendo Switch. Everyone ranked it as not creepy at all. So it's not always that you have to shoot for a campaign, but sometimes brands ask you to reshare their movie trailer, which is what I did for Disney Plus and the movie 47 Meters Down. Sometimes they even ask you how you relate to the character, how you relate to the movie. By the way, you should watch that out now. Safety on Disney Plus. And now let's go to the tips. Did you know that companies actually eye on smaller creators because we have a more engaged audience? And the number of followers do not count. There are times when a follower with 5,000 followers actually has more engagement than someone who has 100,000 followers. So the companies also use a program to see where your audience is from. And for example, you're from the States, but most of your audience is from, let's say, the Middle East. That's sketchy. Tip number 1, make sure to post all the time and actively. So if you are a content creator on Instagram, make sure to switch to a business profile. So when you do that, you have access to analytics and you can see the best time to post, the best day to post. And for me, Sunday and Monday nights work the best. Next, have an eye-catching profile picture. You gotta make a really good first impression. I have gotten followers just simply from engaging on different accounts. I can comment on Selena Gomez's picture and I can get some followers from that, or I can comment on a meme. So if you have an eye-catching profile picture, it really draws attention. Tip number 3, keep your email address on your profile. So do not rely on the email button that they have on your profile. PR companies like to copy and paste your email. They don't want to go on their phone and press the email button. They're always on the computer. Tip number 4, hashtags. So I know some people might think it's cringe to post a lot of hashtags. However, this is how you build your audience and your niche. So if you have a lot of people engaging with your picture, you end up in the explore page. You can do a maximum of 30 hashtags. I only do like maybe 10, but it works for me. Tip number 5, engage. So don't forget to engage with everyone who comments, reply back to those loyal people, and you know, why don't you follow them back? I feel like I can just visit any country and I have like a friend over there. Be more personal with your audience. So I hope these tips were really useful for you and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and follow for more videos. Check out my travel and lifestyle playlist. I have posted really awesome vlogs.